Okay, Kamran, give me the answer of this question. That 11 and 12. Or anybody? Muzammil said error and Anika said 12. Okay. Shabash, play the part.
Sir, I think error.
Okay, I think error is maybe the Arshid. Okay, Faizan. Okay, the word is Faizan.
No, sir.
Okay.
So I think it will print 11 and 12.
Asha saying maybe the 11 or 12. Okay, give the part, play the part, just because there should be one answer, maybe the wrong. Okay, so no matter with that, but at least we are learning right now. Okay, so Hamayal, where have you gone? And Afreen and Sajid Ali and Imdad Ali, please. Yeah.
Sir, 11, 12.
Okay, 11, 12. Hamayal, what you said? Afreen, what you said?
दो दफा 11 आएगा.
2 दफा 11 आएगा. Okay, Afreen said 2 दफा 11 आएगा. Okay, another buddy. Okay.
कहा सर कि 2 बार 11 आएगा. मैंने कहा है एक बार 11 और एक बार 12.
Okay, Afreen ने कहा. अच्छा, तो हमारे ने कहा है कि एक बार 2 बार 11. So my brother said that this is maybe the error. This may be the 11, 12, maybe the 12, 12, maybe something else. Maybe you thought of. So well, I'm getting. Yeah. Just tell me, Mel.
2 बार 11 आएगा इसमें.
2 बार 11 आएगा. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you one by one because I already gave the answer of that next slide, but I'm not not showing it that way. So what does A plus plus mean? A plus plus mean that you have to add, okay, 1, okay, to whom? To A and assign to A. Okay, this is the completely meaning. Okay, you said yes, sir. Okay, the operation has been done in here. Now A have what kind of value? A have 11. You say, okay, sir, I have 11, and this SOP what will do is show on screen 11. That's it. And now compiler come to this way. And now it's written also A plus plus. What does it mean by A plus plus? It means that A1 plus add with whom? With A and assign to A. So this statement is not wrong. If this statement is written, the same meaning is that. I already told you this is the thing and that's the same thing. So if you write in here again, if you're deleting this thing, there's no error. Why it should error? They know that this is initialized already. This is you can add many times as you can. So the student who said error will not come, okay, just because this is the statement is right statement, not a wrong statement. You write this way or that way, this is not a wrong statement at all. How can it say? If you're thinking this error just because of repeating, no. This is not an error just because of repeating. So as you know that A contains 11. You know that now. Why A contains 11? Just because you said in this statement that plus 1 and with A, whatever the result comes, this 11 has come, put this value in A. So now A have 11. Okay. This operation done. This operation will assign A is 11 now. Okay. So now A contains 11. So here is A is 11. Okay. So now you are telling that 11 plus 1. Okay, you are saying 11 plus 1. Now it's become 12. Hope every student got it or any confusion there? Student?
सर कंफ्यूजन है 12 कैसे आया?
12 कैसे आया? Okay. Let me write it down for you again. Okay, write it down for you. So the people who are saying error, so I'm telling you this is not error. Repeating 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, no matter with that. Now I'm telling you how 12 comes. Okay, so I'm asking you, what does it mean by this, Hamal? What does it mean by this? It means that you have to add 1. Okay, to whom?
1 plus.
Okay, this is the meaning now. So now what the value of A contains now?
Okay.
What
10 A contain करी value और plus 1 करी.
Okay, now in here where I'm
10.
No,
A.
If you are saying 10 in here, you're wrong now. If I'm increased already, this is increased now. This is increased by this way now. This is increased. 11. Now how is 11 becomes?
जी.
I have told you that plus mean that increase A, increase 1 time and also assign to A. That is the meaning now. Increase 1 and this operation has been done, whatever it will become 11. Now A contains 11 now. You know that A contains?
Yes, sir.
Hamayil, you got it? That
11
A contains 11.
क्योंकि
Now,
इसमें एक 1 प्लस
just because we are adding the one
जी
value.
जी
So now A contains 11. Whatever you print here, it will show on the screen 11. Okay, that's it. But as you know that A contains 11, A is not containing now 10 because you updated A in here. By this you updated A. Now A have 11 value. So now what does it mean by this again? A plus plus. It means that A plus 1. Okay, now what is A?
So now A is 11.
Now A is
सर ठीक है समझ आ गया वो
हाँ।
ऊपर वाले 11 में शिफ्ट हो गया
हाँ,
तो
just
फिर
update
12
हो
आया
गया. Just because updated. Yes. Here you say कि you here A is updated.
सर
Yes.
मुजम्मिल
हाँ मुजम्मिल. Yeah.
सर आपने कहा कि ऊपर वाले के अंदर जो हमारे पास इंक्रीमेंट होकर आंसर आएगा 11, नीचे वाला के अंदर आएगा हमारे पास 12. अब ऊपर वाला जो एसओपी है और नीचे वाला एसओपी इसके अंदर जो वैल्यू हमने असाइन की वो ए है, ऊपर भी ए है नीचे भी ए है. अब जब वो कंपाइलर रन करेगा तो वो देखेगा कि इसमें भी ए है और नीचे वाले के अंदर भी ए है. तो कैसे एक के अंदर 11 पुट करेगा और कैसे जो है नीचे वाले के अंदर जो है
जी
वो रखेगा 12 से.
जी आई एम टेलिंग. उसके बाद मैं सोचूं उसका आंसर क्या होगा. मेरे दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा मुजम्मिल के सवाल के बाद.
सर ऐसा तो सर आपके शागिर्द हैं सर, ऐसा तो नहीं करे सर.
अरे मेरे तुम्हें नहीं पता मेरे बच्चे कहाँ सवाल लेकर आते हैं, तुम्हें नहीं पता.
सर आपके पास लेजेंड पढ़ते हैं ना?
हाँ डेफिनेटली लेजेंड पढ़ते हैं. ये लेजेंड ही पढ़ते हैं मेरे पास. सच बता देता हूँ मैंने कभी नहीं देखा फर्स्ट ईयर की जैसे कामरान है, जैसे बहुत सारे आप स्टूडेंट हैं और अभी से इन्होंने जो है यूट्यूब पे वीडियो यहाँ जो प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हो, लेजेंड ही पढ़ते हैं मेरे पास. सच बता देता हूँ. नो डाउट. मेरे पास मैसेज जितने लड़कों के आते हैं ना, आई एम शॉक्ड और मैं खुश भी होता हूँ बहुत ज्यादा कि यार मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर के लड़के जो हैं वो इतने शार्प हो गए. आई एम गिविंग द आंसर ऑफ मुजम्मिल. जी ना जल्दी कैमरा.
सर हिकिड़ो मतिलबु टॉपिक खां थोरो हटी करे हिकिड़ो सुवाल हुयो. त तव्हां हिकिड़ो मूंखां पेपर में सुवाल कयो लूप जे बारे में.
अच्छा आई डोंट रिमेंबर बट
हाँ लूप में हुयो फार लूप हुयो. तव्हां चयो फार लूप जेकॾहिं फार लूप जे ब्रेकेट में अगरि असां 0 ॾियूं त छा ईंदो रिज़ल्ट?
0 न ॾियूं, सेमीकोलन ॾियूं.
न सर तव्हां 0 चयो मूंखे.
0
हाँ 0 या अहिड़ो कुझु या मतिलबु अहिड़ो कुझु हुयो. सो
सेमीकोलन
कंफ्यूज हुयुमि.
सेमीकोलन ऐं जेको यादि हो न मूंखे. हाँ मां सेमीकोलन ॾियो छो त इन जो लूप जो कंहिं ट्राई कोन कयो आहे अहिड़े टाइप जो. सेमीकोलन 0 न, 0 इज नथिंग. 0 तो कॉन्सेप्ट एरर अची वियो हे. हाँ मां 3 दफ़ा ई ॾियो छा ईंदो जवाब. हाँ ट्राई कयो.
अच्छा सो हाँ ट्राई कयो. हुन में मतिलबु डबल प्रोग्राम मतिलबु हिकिड़े में मां ट्राई कयो हुन में अलॻि एरर पे आयो, ॿिए हिकिड़े आईडी में ट्राई कयो त हुन में अलॻि पे आयो एरर.
Okay, you said the answer is error. Okay, I written here maybe. Okay, because the voice is recorded. Okay, and the answer you gave it to me, I recorded myself. The Kamran gave me the answer is error. Okay, according to the question, I write it down. According to question, I write it down. Okay. But well, I remember. Maybe when the loop will come. Okay, जब हमारे पास loop आएगा, जब when we do the programming for loop, you will get the answer. Okay. Okay, or maybe I will for Kamran for you. I will do it again. Na? I may आपको show कर दूँ. मगर right now the plus operator is doing, so I cannot doing right now. But after, okay, I will show the result. So now, beta, now for the Muzammil, as asked the Muzammil that sir, how it's possible that A is updated? How A is updated? So it is actually a question. So now let us see. As I told you, my brothers, as I told you, I remove this aside. I removing this. Okay. So if you Muzammil, can you give me the answer of this question? What is the answer of this question? Shabash.
So 11.
Okay, you said 11. Okay. Now, how you said 11? How can you say that's 11? Why it's not error in here?
सर क्योंकि दोनों एसओपी के अंदर एक ही ए है और वैल्यू भी इसने एक ही रखी हुई है.
A 11, ठीक है ना. और as you said A is 11 just because you said A plus mean that you have to add A with this way, okay, this one, and whatever the value will come after adding, as A contains 10, what A contains 10 and plus with 1, and this operation will be performed, and what will happen, it will become 11, and then 11 assigned to A. Okay, now A is updated. Okay, now A is updated. This is the mean by. Now A is updated. Okay, now A is no more 10. Okay, now A is no more 10. So what is the value is now? 11. You told me, sir, this is the 11. Okay, now again what I'm doing, again I'm saying, if I'm writing here A plus 1, what is the answer?
12.
No, tell me the Muzammil. No, Muzammil said 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you said 12.
Sir,
Why not error?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why not error? It means that you are
Sir,
saying statement is right.
yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
I told you this. If you wanted to write this way, it's okay, and if you wanted to write in this way, it's also okay. The both are okay. Okay, the both meaning same. Meaning is same. So how could you say it's an error? How it's an error if I write that way? You got
Okay,
my
sir.
point? You got my point? As you told me,
Yes,
na, this is as you told me, sir, you can write this way. You told me, sir, write this way. It's okay. No? You told me the answer is 12, but I say this is the same thing is that way. How can this error? It can't be error now, because this thing and that thing is completely the same thing. So hope you got the answer right now. Okay, sir. Okay, for the both are the same thing. Now the answer will be the 11 and 12. Okay. So my brothers,
Okay, sir.
here's written 11.
Okay.
Here's the 12. Okay. Now who will tell me answer of this question? I already wrote it down. Okay. So hope you got it. Okay, I already wrote it.
I will.
My brother. Okay. Now the question is, what the value of A? Who will tell me the first? Now, who will tell me
Sir,
the first?
14.
40?
15, sir.
14. Someone said 14. Okay. And Faizan
Sir,
said
I'll
15.
say 14.
Ashar
15.
said 14. Ashar said 14 and Faizan said 15. Okay.
Sir, 14.
14. This is, I think,
Sir.
Hamail said 15. Okay. Or 14.
सर
Sir,
सर 13 ईंदो छो जो तव्हां जेको आहे लास्ट में A++ लगायो आहे उन खे सिस्टम प्रिंट आउट कयो ई न आहे
No, my brother. Question is that, listen the question. I say, what is the value of A? Not I'm asking. What is the value of A in the end? Okay, what I asked. I now said that what you will see on the screen. I'm not asking the screen. Okay.
Okay, 14 ईंदो
Okay. there you
14,
go.
I guess.
Shabash. Anybody go
Sir,
with
14.
14?
14.
Okay. Brother, here also. Here also. Here also. Nazir? Okay. Thank you. So hope my brothers and sisters, okay, you got the answer why it not become 15. You know that it's become 14. Fede, you got it why it's 14 not 15, brother? Faizan.
Yes, sir.
Faizan. Okay. Faizan, at least it's not 15. You can maybe say wrong. You can say maybe error, but you cannot say 15 at least, because here it is a 14. Now, as you know that it's updated, become 12. Here updated, become 13. Here updated, now A become 14. Okay.
Right.
Same
Yes,
as
sir.
okay. 15. There's nothing like 15. Okay. Okay. And now I will tell you if I will do what will happen, but this is an experiment. Okay. I'm not telling right now do number of experiment here. I will give you the concept. At least the concept will shift to in your brain. So, okay. As I ask you, what will the value? The student told me that, sir, it will be the 14. Excellent answer given by students. And now you studied postfix increment. You increment now. If I'm talking about the decrement, what you will do?
Sir, double minus देंगे. Minus. A minus.
Okay, you will do double minus, as Arshad said. Okay, you have to give now double minus. For the increment, you added 2 sign plus. Okay, for the decrement, what you will do? Minus sign.
Minus.
Exactly, as Afrin said. Now tell me the answer of this question. Okay, check it down.
9 I guess.
9 आएगा.
9.
I have a question.
You have a question. Okay, you have a question. Okay, let me know. Yeah.
Sir, we are doing addition for plus plus, and for decrement means subtraction.
Yeah.
We have any other method for multiplication or division?
No, they only give the postfix or prefix. They only dedicated plus sign and minus sign, not for the multiplication purpose.
Okay.
Okay, so I think student you got it that for increment what you will write, you said it's a minus sign 2 times. Okay, and also you give me the answer of minus. Okay, I think the witnesses of three girls, these 3 girls, maybe the whole student agree with that. So as it's saying, this answer will be the 9. Okay, now what will be the answer, Shabash?
Sir, 8.
8.
Asher said 8 and Muzammil said 8. Okay, and Aftab, yes, Aftab. After I have a question. Afrin said 8 and Hamail said 8.
7.
7. Okay. Hamail said 8, 7. Okay.
7.
8, sir.
8.
8.
Anika said 8. Okay. And Aftab, yes, Aftab. Waiting for the Aftab. Shabas. Aftab, what you want to know? Yes, Aftab.
Sir, 8 ही है, 8 ही आंसर.
जी. अच्छा, हमारे ने कहा 8 ही. शाबाश. Now I want to know हमारे यो सहाने 1 मिनट क्या नाम है? 1 मिनट यार वो कहाँ गया? चैट सिस्टम कहाँ गया? हाँ ये रहा ना चैट सिस्टम. ओके सर, हम सिर्फ इंक्रीमेंट 1 नंबर की दे सकते हैं. Just because 1 number. Okay, that's the reason I told you. Okay, but right now what I'm trying to tell you that the increment number concept. But do right now 1, adding 1, not 2, not 3, not 4 right time. So if you got the answer, right now we are going for the adding 1 time. Okay, 1 increment only 1. Okay, no 2, no 3, no 4. So here you see the 8 answer. Okay, 8 answer. As you know that 9 is decreased by 10 is decreased by 1 time. It becomes 9. Now it's updated as A contain 9 and now decrease 1 time and it become 8. So I think the student now not is confused anymore.